Hi guys, today I have a box opening and this is kind of a familiar box on my channel even though I haven't opened one for a little bit. It is from Smart Doll. So I love Smart Doll and there's a new color out, gray skin tone, and as soon as I saw the gray skin tone like last year or whatever, there was one that I really wanted, and I do love all of the Smart Dolls, but for some reason I'm kind of drawn to, when I want to buy one, the anime. Although I do have to say right now, whenever I take one with me somewhere, it happens to be Pride, so, and she's semi-real, but that's a different story. But anyway, so there was a gray Smart Doll when I saw that he was making gray that I was interested in, and he had a drop of them. It's been, gosh, a week and a half or something, and I got this last week, but there was just so much going on in my life that I didn't open it, and I didn't feel like I wanted to open it. I wanted to wait until I was like in a better headspace. So opening it today, and I decided to do a box opening because I don't know how many box openings that I will have in the future or in this year, because there's just not tons of dolls right now that I'm interested in. So I've just kind of been buying random ones. But anyway, this is a Smart Doll. This is what I was able to get on a drop, and so I'm really excited. So here's the bag. Keep calm and carry a Smart Doll. Empty box. Ooh. Not going to go to the Smart Doll right off. I'm going to go into the box that came with her, because this drop, not only did you get the Smart Doll, but you also had to purchase a few little extra things that were coming with the Smart Doll. And these are them. So first of all, you got medium smooth gray bust, which if anything, I would like my Smart Dolls to have smaller boobs. So smaller bust. So I don't know if I'll be using this. I've already reached out to Chelsea from Pumpkin Sparkles Babies to see if maybe, because she also paints on Smart Dolls body parts, and to see if maybe she would be interested in this. So I've never seen a bigger bust, and it's just like I thought it would be. So that's a medium smooth, and that's the gray color, so that's kind of fun. Haven't seen a gray yet. So that came. You got this short ash wig, which is my most favorite wig that he's come out with. I love all the short wigs, but I love this color. So we got this short ash wig, but I also brought another wig that I'm going to try on my Smart Doll first. So I'm not going to take it all the way out. So just kind of an ashy, blondish, grayish color. I really love this cut of this wig too. It's kind of shaggy. And that comes with the Smart Doll normally. The bust wasn't one of the extras. I don't own very many Smart Doll clothes, so it is kind of fun. So here is some shorts, cargo shorts. Is that what they're called? Because I don't usually buy the clothes, I don't pay attention to what their names are. I love these bags. But these are really cute. They're kind of, it's hard to tell, it's a really snowy gray day today. Well, flurries, but it's a gray day today, so it's hard to get some good lighting. This is Mirai on the tag. And these seem to be like a dark brown. I don't think I would call them a gray. So a dark brown. Those are really cute. I'd be excited to use them this summer on one of the girls. So that was an extra that was added on. Her gray stand, which is always fun. It's this sweater. I can't remember what it's called. It's kind of got like snags and stuff in it. I don't think it's like the apocalyptus sweater. I don't know, but it has snags in it, which is really cute. In another box opening, I'm not sure if I did a box opening. I don't think I did. I ordered a pair of shoes, and the shoes came with a free other thing. The shoes were marked down, and they also came with a free thing, and it was also a sweater, but it wasn't this sweater, but they're really see-through. So I just use one of the underwear tops and put under it, and that's what I'll do with this one too. And it's kind of got some snags. This is like a charcoal gray, has a little Mirai tag. I really do love Smart Doll clothes, but they're so expensive that I haven't really bought any. I did a box opening. I can't remember what it's called. I did buy the one set, and it was like $150, so price dropping. I don't know if I should say, but that was a lot of money. But I saved up because I did want that one set, so I got that. And then here's the card. Very fun. I love the new cards. So those are the things that came with the doll, the extras, and the stand and the wig, which is a normal thing to come with a doll. And now we will look at the doll. So she's in the bag, and that you know she's already a gray because I said he dropped, gosh, how many grays? Like 5 or 6 different grays in the last little while. But this is the one that I've been wanting since I saw gray was coming out. She looks really dark in this bag. Oh, how fun. And she has gray underwear. Oh, and she has the new head cap. Fun. You can put like magnets and stuff in here and do little like like you can put magnets, and then you can get like kitty ears or other things and have magnets on them so that you can attach things to their heads, which is a lot of fun. So here's her gray body. This is a fun color. And here's her face. Ta-da! I got anomaly. Gray anomaly. I think I had this problem before. Gray anomaly. And this is who I wanted when I first saw that he was going to be making gray. This is the gray girl that I wanted, and I'm really excited to have her. She has kind of pinks and purples around her eyes. When he had her for sale, it said this is like the darker pink lip, I think. It actually isn't that pink in real life. I don't mind it at all. She has pinky purpley eyes. More pink, maybe. She has her zombie scars, her beautiful eye makeup. Anyway, so this is who I got, was Anomaly. And I brought an outfit to put on her. This is an outfit I got the end of last December, like 2021 December. I got it off of Etsy from Royal Smart Customs. And because it's almost Valentine's Day, I thought I would put this on her. It's got some little heart shorts, some long socks that come way up her leg. I thought these colors would look great with her gray skin tone. And then a little croppy, long sleeve heart top. So let's get her dressed. I don't have a name for her yet. I do have a blue anomaly. I actually brought her out to meet her sister. This is Zelda. She's my blue anomaly. I would really like to find the, oh, my mind just went blank. The cinnamon or the tea of just a regular anomaly. Is that her name? Hey, psst. Look how cute. I knew they'd look good on her. So I'm gonna take her head off to slip the top on. And I also have a wig, so Sissy here, hold her head while I get her shirt on. I don't know why these zombie ones just kind of called to me. When I first kind of started liking Smart Doll and discovered them, I was drawn to the blue zombie. I was really excited about it. And I was lucky enough to be able to catch it on a drop last summer sometime. Not long after I'd started getting Smart Dolls, 6 months or so. So get her shirt on. These are her normal breasts, or normal chest. See, I don't think I would like them any bigger. I actually, like I've said, would like if smaller chest sizes came out, just because I kind of like my girls, and I've said it a million times, I like my girls younger looking. And I try to not make them like super sexy or provocative. They're just cute. So I won't be wanting the larger chest. Her feet, oh, let's bend them up. Ooh, that's stiff. Oh my gosh. Is this the new body? He has new frames coming out. But I don't think this is one. I think they're just stiff from not being used. Because he said they're kind of clicky, but I think he's trying to cut back on the sound, so I doubt that was silly of me to think that. I've really been tempted to buy other heads. I've seen other heads for sale, but as it is right now, I already need some bodies. So if I have Smart Doll box openings in the future, it will probably just be Smart Doll bodies to go with the heads that I have. I did buy a blank head when he had painted chaos heads, and I need to get her a body, plus a couple other heads I bought at the end of last year when he had them when they first came out. So this is the cute Valentine outfit from Royal Smart Customs. I follow them on Instagram and also on Etsy. I can't remember their name on Instagram. I don't think it's the same. And now I have gray underwear. He had a question a while ago. Was it these? He was wondering about eyes. And I think gray eyes would look really cool. I don't know if that was ever a choice with Anomaly. But this is the wig I was thinking of trying on her. But now that I see it with the outfit, the pinks are different. So I don't know. They might not keep it. This is a wig I bought. I'm not sure from who. I haven't bought a lot of wigs from different people, mostly, is it Dallas Doll Co. and Zaozu? So probably one of those two, I don't remember. And I've traded wigs off and on, I just put them in other bags. So it was actually in a dark oak Smart Doll bag. So I would have to look up who I got it. But I thought this pink color would look really good on my gray head. Let's see. Zelda here. I just recently put this light pink wig on her. I have a blue, is it blue? Blue and kind of whitish, I think. It might have a little bit of pink wig that I bought specifically for her that she's been wearing most of the time since I have gotten her. But I pulled that wig out the other day to try on. I think it was my Sad Dolphy Dream, and it didn't have enough stretch to it. And I thought, I kind of like this wig. Who should I put it on? And I put it on her, and I've liked it. So I haven't changed her wig. I can't get this too. It just wants to fold over in the front. Sorry. There we go. I think we got it this time. This was a wig that I had on Monday for a long, long, long time. And I really like it on Monday. Right now, Monday is put away, and I miss her a lot. That's one of the bodies I need because I used her body for, I can't even remember who I used it for. I have it written down. But anyway, I thought this pink would look cute on the gray head. The only thing is it kind of covers up her face scar. That's the thing about it. It's like a long pixie shaggy cut. So it covers her face. So I might end up just putting her ash wig on, but I thought we'd try it. And for now, that's what we'll leave on. So, hey, you're all put together. Yay. So here's my gray girl, my new gray girl. I haven't named her yet. Like I said, this is Zelda, the blue anomaly. She's wearing, this sweater was from Mommy Sewing KR off of Etsy. And these cute, cute pants were from, I wrote it down, Nina Harrison. Harrison with the Herrison. Nina Harrison off of Etsy also. And the shoes were Mommy Sewing. Love the Etsy clothes. So fun. That's my new girl. Those are my two anomalies. You can see the different skin tones. They have the same face, the same makeup. The purples and the stuff, the scars show up a little darker on blue. I'm excited to have a gray girl. Can't say that I won't buy another gray girl, but as right now, this is the only one that I really wanted. So possibly the only gray that I will add to my collection. I have her and Prowess in blue, and those were the only blues that I really wanted. So I don't know if I'll get a Prowess in gray. I just really like the zombies. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you're all doing well. And glad to finally felt like opening her and being able to share her. Now I just need to think of a name. So have a good day, and I will see you again soon.